Nutrient absorption and metabolism are integral processes in the human body, ensuring that the nutrients from the food we eat are converted into energy and building blocks necessary for maintaining life. These processes are complex, involving multiple organs and systems working together to break down, absorb, transport, and convert nutrients into usable forms. The journey of nutrient absorption begins in the mouth, where mechanical digestion takes place as food is broken down into smaller pieces by chewing. Enzymes in the saliva start breaking down carbohydrates, initiating the chemical digestion process. The food bolus then travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where it encounters an acidic environment. Here, proteins begin to denature and lipids start to be emulsified, preparing them for further breakdown. In the small intestine, the central hub for nutrient absorption, the food mixture is met with a slew of digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver. The villi and microvilli lining the intestinal walls increase the surface area available for absorption, allowing for efficient uptake of nutrients. Carbohydrates are broken down into monosaccharides like glucose, while proteins are converted into amino acids and lipids are transformed into fatty acids and glycerol. The absorbed nutrients enter the bloodstream through the intestinal walls and are transported to the liver, a metabolic powerhouse. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolism, converting nutrients into energy stores, detoxifying harmful substances, and regulating chemical levels in the blood. Glucose is stored as glycogen, proteins are used to repair tissues or produce enzymes, and fats are transformed into lipoproteins for further transport. From the liver, these metabolites are distributed throughout the body to be utilized as energy or building blocks necessary for cellular function. The process of metabolism involves catabolic reactions that break down molecules to produce energy and anabolic reactions that build complex molecules for growth and repair. The efficiency of nutrient absorption and metabolism can be influenced by various factors such as age, health status, lifestyle choices, and genetic predisposition. Understanding nutrient absorption and metabolism is vital for nutritional sciences and medicine, allowing for advancements in dietary recommendations, the treatment of metabolic disorders, and optimizing health through personalized nutrition.